What's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy Ed Kane. Buenas noches, buenas noches. Good evening, mi familia. Look, guys, I need you to do me a big favor. My homegirl from the DR, Dominican, born and bred, Norberis, Norberis. Man, her channel is off the chain. When I tell you I met this young lady, she's absolutely gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous. But that's not just it. You ever met someone and their personality, it matched their actual beauty? That's her. She has a channel on YouTube. When I tell you it's hot and off the chain, the content is amazing. It's not just geared toward women. Men, I subscribe and I visit her channel a couple times a day. She goes over fashion hauls, Dominican cooking, quick at home exercises, do it yourself crafts, lifestyle videos, anything about Santo Domingo because that's where she's from, areas to move to, safety, where to party at, the nightlife, anything, travel advice. She brings it all, guys. I'm not lying to you. I check her out. She's hot and she knows how to make Mama Juana from scratch. No bullshit. Check her out. Go to her page. Subscribe, like, tell her your boy Ed Kane sent you. Again, I wouldn't send you there if I didn't believe in her. I've been following her for about 2 months. I met her in the DR. She's amazing. Like I said, absolutely gorgeous. Drop dead. Ladies, you'll love her. Guys, you will definitely love her. Check her page out. All her information for her channel will be in the description box. Check her out, guys. You will not regret it. Adios.